Hey everyone. Today, I've got a quick and helpful tutorial for you. I'm going to show you how to easily log out of Facebook Messenger on your iPhone. Let's dive right in. First off, open up your Facebook Messenger app. Once you're in, look for the 3 lines in the top left corner. Tap on them. And then head to the top right corner where you'll find a gear icon. Give that a tap to open up your settings. Now, scroll all the way down to the bottom. And you'll see the Meta Account Center. Tap on See More to access additional options. In the Account Center, scroll down a bit and tap on Password and Security. Next, you'll see an option for where you are logged in. Click on it. Now, select Facebook from the list. This will display a list of all the devices where you're currently logged in with your Facebook and Facebook Messenger profile. You will find Select Devices. Tap on it. Now, you can select one or multiple devices by taping. You can select all devices by clicking on the Select All button. Once you've made your selections, tap on Log Out. And there you have it. You've successfully logged out of Facebook Messenger. Thanks for watching.